This is how you play No Excuses by Alice in Chains.
Every day it's something hits me, I'm so cold.
We're gonna use a really pretty chord here because it's kind of like an A major. That's A major on the 5th fret of the E string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for No Excuses, the first riff that you're gonna do is you're gonna actually take your index finger off the bottom 2 strings. And you're gonna have that ringing out. Now, what chord is that? I'm gonna call it an A sus2. If you disagree, put it in the chat or put it in the comments of this video. All right, so the first chord is A sus2 all the way up to B major. And you're just strumming it about 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you hit it 4 times down and then slide up from 5 to the 7. It's alright. Let me turn the reverb on. It's alright. There comes a time. Got no patience. Peace of people to search for peace of mind. This is a hard song to learn to play and sing at the same time. Lay it low. Wanna take it slow. No more hiding, disguising truths I've sold. Every day it's something hits me, I'm so cold. You'll find me sitting by myself, no excuses, and I know. Okay, so we just learned the verse, which is power chord on the 5th fret, open bottom strings, slide up to the 7. But what is going on in that chorus? We're taking the same chord and we're moving it all the way down to the 3rd fret. Right here is how we kick off this chorus, is that it's going to be a bar chord right here. And don't forget, we have these ones ringing out.
Every day it's something hits me, I'm so cold.
So you're just moving it from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret, and then you're moving it to the 7th fret. And that's it. That's how easy that song is. It's just that chord format moving from the verse to the chorus.
Every day.
And then it's the same chorus every time.
Every day it's something hits me, I'm so cold. If I'm sitting by myself, no excuses, then I know.
That's how you play No Excuses by Alice in Chains, y'all. All right, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Feel free to put your suggestion in the chat for what we should learn next.